everybody, it's Greg again from Heck Yeah, You Can Cook, and today we're going to make a simple shrimp steamer for two featuring Sizzlefish Shrimp. That's right, Sizzlefish right here. Got 12 ounces of wonderful Gulf shrimp. Hope everybody can check them out at sizzlefish.com. They have wonderful products and it's delivered to your door. You don't have to worry about it. Put it in the freezer, frost when you need, as I have right here. While I've got everybody's attention, please like, share, and subscribe. We love getting new subscribers here at Heck Yeah, You Can Cook. And we'd love for you to join us on our Instagram, TikTok, and our Facebook group. And check us out on Pinterest. Let me say that correctly. The tools you're going to need today. Now, I've got my 8-quart stock pot. I've put 2 liters of water in it, or 2 quarts, and I've got that already boiling and getting ready to boil because we're going to be steaming, of course. I've got my steamer insert here that goes on top of the pot with a lid. I've got a knife that we're going to use chop a potato, and I've got a spoon to kind of stir and pull it out, and a bowl to place it in when it's done. The ingredients, now the star of the show, of course, is my 12 ounces of patted dry Sizzlefish Shrimp. I've got 8 ounces of frozen broccoli right here. I've got 6 ears of frozen corn. You can use 4. I just like to have 6. Even though it is for 2 people, you know, sometimes people want to have stuff for lunch. And I've got 4 ounces of baby carrots. They're already peeled, ready to go, right out of the bag. And I've got 10 ounces of potato, just regular old russet potato, and we've chopped it, not chopped, but cubed it up. And so it's ready to go. I've got a tablespoon of one of my favorite seasonings, Harlem Garlic Pepper. It's right here. You can use any seafood type of steamer you like. I prefer this one for something that's quick and easy. And I've got some salt because we're going to be using or maybe touching some raw shrimp. I had this in reserve, then we just discard afterwards. Now, the way we put this together is quite simple. And now the water, if you want it to have more flavor, you can use beer, you can use wine, you can throw some cloves of garlic in there. But I'm making this a super simple one today, so you can. We're just going to use water, but feel free to add. See, now we've got the water boiling. I'll put this on top. I turn it down to about 4. And what I like to do here is I add at this time the corn, potatoes. I'm going to spread that around a little bit, be careful, and the carrots. And I don't add the broccoli or the shrimp yet. Now take some of the salt, pinch across the top, and a couple pinches of the garlic pepper from Badia. Now we're going to cover this right here. We're going to set a timer for 4 minutes. Meanwhile, while that's steaming, I take the shrimp and kind of just coat through with the Badia seasoning. You can make this as spicy or as plain as you like. I like it about right there. And then just add a pinch of salt. And then I do the same to the broccoli. Then I wash my hands. One thing I may not have mentioned, I like to use a colander here. I do, when I pull it off of the steam, I like to drain it just a little bit before I serve. All right, we have let that steam for 5 minutes. Give it a quick stir. We'll push on the potatoes. See how they're coming along. The shrimp doesn't take long, so you want to make sure you you steam this part and get it all the way through. All right, I increase the heat just a little bit to boil a little harder. And at this time, I add the broccoli, not the shrimp, just the broccoli. We're going to cover and we're going to let that go another 3 minutes. All right, carefully take off the lid. We've had another 3 minutes go by. See, the broccoli's almost done. Check the potatoes. Oh yes. Oh yes, oh yes. Pushing right through the potato, just where we want it. Kind of turn that broccoli in there a little bit. All right, so it's been a grand total of about 8 minutes. Off and frozen. Put the shrimp on top. Spread that out. Put the lid on. This keeps the shrimp from overcooking. I set a timer for 1 minute and check it in a minute. If it needs to go a little longer, it's not quite pink, we'll come back. We'll add another minute, maybe 30 seconds. All right, another minute's gone by. Shrimp is almost there. See, the veins are starting to get pink. I'll let it go another 30 seconds or so. All right, another 30 seconds gone by. Shrimp looks nice and pink. Both sides just a little bit firm. So we're going to take it now and we're going to drain it. Carefully bring it over to your sink. Turn your burner off. Then I transfer it to a bowl. There you go, folks. Look how beautiful that dish is. Simple, steamed, 10 minutes. Easy to clean up. Most of it frozen, already prepared. Great weeknight meal. Everyone have a great day.